for you to have as a product a poster, which essentially is a summary of a service concept.
We were doing Empower. That stands for medical power and medical empowerment. The problem is that people don't trust their information, and they don't know which doctor to go to, and they don't feel like their health care is precise.
Piping Hot is basically food or order reservation just in time.
Collected learning exchange. The whole notion is using social media as a way to bring experts in certain areas with users that have specific questions.